And this is specifically for the You Don't Buy Nothing committee.
Watch them ride with my dreams away to the summer sunset on a holy night on a long black road. All the tears I fight, 16 carriages driving away while I watch them ride with my dreams away to the summer sunset on a holy night on a long black road. All the tears I fight, 15 the innocence was gone astray. Had to leave my home at an early age.
Okay, so as y'all know and as y'all have seen, this is my hygiene closet. I usually keep everything in here, but I did get another little stand that y'all probably seen on the thumbnail, and this has all type of stuff in here. Honestly, like, I just ended up putting stuff everywhere because I didn't have enough room anymore. And so I snatched a lot of stuff from out of here, from right here, because that's where my dry towel is supposed to go. Typically I be having like tissue and paper towel down here, but this is all the stuff from out of the closet, and that is some new stuff that I just recently got. So I'm gonna try and figure out what I'm gonna put in here and how I'm gonna put everything back into my hygiene closet. Okay, y'all, so I tried to give myself some room in this area because all the bags was like right here in the front. So now we're gonna work with this thing here. It's a lot bigger than the last cart that I had. The last cart I had, I was like, I was over it, girl. I was over it. So I think what I really need to do is put all of my body washes on this cart. What I'm gonna do is whatever is left over, like whatever body washes and stuff is left over, I'm gonna put it back in the area that I had some of my body washes and just go like that for now. So obviously I'm gonna put these together. All of the Dove products, I'm gonna put them on one shelf. All of the Native products, I'm gonna put it on one shelf. All of the, like, if I have any Naturum products, I'm gonna put it on this shelf. But yeah, let's go ahead and get into it because this is what I'm trying to do. I'm just trying to get it together. I do have a whole bunch of bath products that I might just put up here on the top if I can fit the other miscellaneous like body washes, because a lot of these products are Dove products. And I have a whole bunch of stuff like this brush. I have that. I have these exfoliating gloves. So these are like miscellaneous, and these are things that I probably want to put in those little pouches up there in the closet. So I don't know. Let me quit talking because I need to organize these. So I'm going to put this down here so y'all can see everything.
Looking at you, got my eyes wide, damn. Looking at you, got my eyes wide, damn. So out of this world like sci-fi. Looking at you, got my eyes wide, damn. Looking at you, got my eyes wide, damn. So out of this world like sci-fi. I am the one that got loud advance. Who you becoming, well that depends. Jump in the air, I perfect my stance. Jump to the floor, I just wanna dance. Yeah, even when there's no number two. If I had 3 wishes, I'd waste them on you. Watch where you stay, got faces on me, no wasters on me.
Yeah, pretty girl. Me no do no keys and bills. As long as you treat me well, I will treat you more than them. Me no sell my chain, you are my real player. Give me promise you ain't gonna belong me. Yeah, pretty girl. Me no do no keys and bills. As long as you treat me well, I will treat you more than them. Me no sell my chain, you are my real player. Give me promise you ain't gonna belong me.
I ain't been in love in a minute. Don't know what it was, but you get it. Big 3 words out your mouth and win it. You can get it, play your cards right, bet it. It's our life, so baby, let's live it. Haters super mad, we got them all living. Think about my future, got you all in it. Shooting for the stars, the sky has no limit.
Yeah, pretty girl. Me no do no keys and bills. As long as you treat me well, I will treat you more than them.
Okay, y'all, so this is how the area looks right now. These are all the tree hut stuff and a couple of gel washes that I did buy from them. I do like them. I I haven't gotten into the gel washes as much with them, but their body scrubs are really good. And then I put all my bath stuff right here, not the bath salts, and I probably should bring the bath salts down here and possibly put it like, because I can move this over, so I could possibly like put it on the sides or something right there and put it in the front, just because I want all of my bath stuff to be right here in this area. And then here go all of the Dove stuff right here. Everything in here is pretty much like, I got some space now, and I got some space on the side right there. I'm probably gonna put the body lotions right there to make it more accessible instead of it being right here, because you can't even see the lotions over there. But I do have some body butters right here, so I might interchange this whole area. I might end up putting this right there and then put the lotions over there and bring the toothpaste, the toothbrush, and that type of stuff down here, along with like the pads and stuff. I might bring that down here and put, ooh, but then where's my perfume gonna go? Like, it can't go all the way up there. But I just want to make it more accessible to Gabby, but she can reach it. So I mean, she's as tall as me, so I probably won't switch that out. I'll probably just move this with the body butters and stuff up here with the lotions, and then keep all of that like that, but just change out that area right there so it could be more accessible to my son and, you know, everybody else, honestly. And the soap obviously needs to be in an area that's accessible as well. So yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna change those two out and get it going. I'm still trying to think about what am I gonna do with those like loofahs and exfoliating gloves and like stuff for my nails, stuff like that. So I'm thinking right now, I'm still brainstorming.
He want the scoop, she want the tea. She want the tea. I cannot speak. We keepin' it street. We keepin' it street. I took a loss, but you still gon' get beat. You still gon' get beat. How much it costs? It never been cheap. It never been. Turn your click up, dog. Turn 'em up. Turn your click up, dog. Turn 'em up. Turn these streets can't cross it. Cross 'em up. All these streets need bosses. Boss 'em up. Turn your click up, dog. Turn 'em up. Turn your click up, dog. Turn 'em up. Turn these streets can't cross it. Cross 'em up. All these streets need bosses. When my dog get low in his pockets, I'm picking them up. We came from the bottom together. We get it, we splitting it up. If my tell me pay for that paper, I take her shopping and tell her shut up. Standing on business, ain't nothing to pipe that up. It ain't nothing to turn your click up. It ain't nothing to turn your click up. Ain't nothing. We turn the jeweler up, just look at the diamonds we bust. Look at the people we touch. I'm feeling like Puffy and Russ. I'm singing this like a toilet. It's so nasty, I never been flushed. Go! Bulletproof rappers and came with a kid on it. The subject too light, it kick if you spit on it. Hundreds of bands, I put a little on them. Dope in my hand, I had to go flip on him. Flip. He want the scoop, she want the tea. She want the tea. I cannot speak. We keepin' it street. We keepin' it street. I took a loss, but you still gon' get beat. You still gon' get beat. How much it costs? It never been cheap. It never been. Turn your click up, dog. Turn 'em up. Turn your click up, dog. Turn 'em up. Turn these streets can't cross it. Cross 'em up. All these streets need bosses. Boss 'em up. Turn your click up, dog. Turn 'em up. Turn your click up, dog. Turn 'em up. Turn these streets can't cross it. Cross 'em up. All these streets need bosses. Boss 'em up.
Big dog, status Bill Hubble. I bought Lennox Mall for my brothers. 4-yard bag, tote the cutter. I got it out the field. Russell. Going as L'Oreal about the paddock. Then going as Jordan as dead. Philippe water trying to drown him. It's a habit tricking on them. Yeah, I'm thinking I'm cooking a pimp. Yeah, I'm cooking like a dump. Yeah, that curve was gon' sit trim. Yeah, I'm floating, I'm hiding the blimp. Yeah, it look like I'm swimming in glad. Yeah, that turn on my bitch cause she bad. Yeah, I'm making her ex mad.
But y'all, look, I got these two. Y'all don't know nothing. Y'all don't know nothing about this combo, but I'm gonna let y'all know in the next video. And with this video, this is how it looks. So let me show y'all the finished product before I go. So that's still the same. I didn't really do anything up there that much, but these are the miscellaneous body scrubs in here. And this is literally like my favorite body scrub right now. This KP Bump Eraser body scrub with 10% AHA in here. Has glycolic and lactic acid in there. That's literally my favorite one right now. But this one has the body butters and creams in here. And here are the lotions, all down layer. Yeah, that top missing, I don't know what the heck. Here's a few more feminine hygiene things that I have. I actually have to put this whole pack in there, which I am going to. These are some miscellaneous body washes, like just and soaps, and then this is for my nails. Y'all see the mist over here. I got my perfume up there, and then here's the toothbrushes. I did put some razors back there for my eyebrows, just because like I don't have anywhere to put them, like in my bathroom. But here's some toothbrushes or some toothpaste and some flosses. There's my little body oils over there. I have some more oils, but I don't know where they at right now. But yeah, that's that. Here's the rags down here, and this is my exfoliating washcloth duo. Really love this. I do have to get my dry towels out of my closet because I got some dry towels, but they in my closet right now in my room because I didn't have no room down here, but I got some now. As y'all seen already, here's the finished product, and I did add this bath soap in this steamer right here because this is my little bath area. And this is the stuff for Dove. So this is how this cart is looking over here in this area. It's not taking up a whole bunch of room, but it's a lot bigger than that little cart that I had the last time, so I'm super happy about that. But if you like this video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you press the link next, or make sure you give this video a thumbs up, press the subscribe button, and press the bell next to the subscribe button so you don't miss another video from me. Y'all, I don't know why I can't talk, but I think it's really because I did not let y'all know where I got that stand from. So I did get it from TJ Maxx, and it was about like $40. So yeah, I was scared to go back on Amazon to try to get another one and be looking at the same thing that I got in my bathroom and like be pulling these braids out, okay? But anyway, yeah, I will see you on my next video. Bye.